Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need targeted academics first. Focus on AP or IB classes in math and science to demonstrate readiness. Universities look for depth. Once you have strong grades, document test scores and coursework clearly, and begin a concise activities resume that highlights leadership and measurable impact. Make sure to meet any program prerequisites and email potential faculty or program advisors to express interest. This early outreach opens doors and clarifies fit, so start these steps now rather than waiting until senior year. Once your academic record is solid, execute the application with intention. Draft essays that explain how you solved real problems, include quantified outcomes, and connect projects to Georgia Tech's strengths. Make sure to request recommendations early, giving teachers specific examples to reference. Assemble a portfolio or project summaries with short descriptions and 1 to 2 visuals. This demonstrates hands-on experience. And use the application checklist to submit materials in order. Missing documents slow review and hurt momentum. Complete final tasks carefully. Verify transcripts, confirm any test report delivery, and submit fee waivers if eligible. You should rehearse interview answers and practice technical challenges with mock sessions. This reduces anxiety and sharpens performance. After submission, monitor application portals and respond to requests quickly. If things go wrong, for example you're waitlisted, send a concise update that highlights new grades, projects, or awards, and politely restate your continued interest. This often improves odds without overdoing contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.